Here is another tribute to Santana. Don't Rain on My Parade version. Don't tell me not to live, just sit and putter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring around the clouds or rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to, I've simply got to. If someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? I march my band down, beat my drum, climb fan down. Your turn at bat, sir. At least I didn't make it hot, sir. I guess I didn't make it, but rather run the rows of sheer perfection. Freckle on the nose, life's complexion, the Cinderella, shiny apple of its eye. I gotta fly once, I gotta try once, only can die once, right, sir? Oh, life is juicy, juicy, and you see, gotta have my bite, sir. Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I've simply gotta march, my heart's a drummer. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? I'm gonna live and live now, get what I want, I know how. One roll for the whole shebang, well that bell will go clang. Eye on the target and wham, one shot, one gunshot and bam! Hey, Mr. Einstein, here I am. I'm my band down, I'll beat my drum, I'm fan down. Your turn at bat, sir. At least I didn't fake it hot, sir. I guess I didn't make it live, 'cause I'm a comer. Simply gotta march my other drummer. No, nobody, no, no.